Hi, fifth graders. I saw with your question of the day yesterday, your responses, a lot of people have been struggling with how to turn things in. So what I want to do here is I want to show you a couple ways that you can turn things in, and hopefully this makes it a little bit easier for you and how and when to turn things in. So I first want to start by saying use Google Classroom. So each assignment that us as teachers post, you should be able to submit online. Now there's a couple different ways that we can do that. So with the help of Miss Gregory, I actually joined her classroom as a student. So I'm going to switch over to my display capture so that way you can see what I see. So as a fifth grade student, I want to see what kind of classwork I have. So I'm going to hit the classwork tab. Now, us as teachers, we can kind of post two different kinds of assignments. So let's start with something that should be really easy for you guys to do right in Google Classroom. So for my agriculture A to Z assignment, I see that it's assigned, and what she has done and what other teachers do is they can post the assignment right in there. So I want to view the assignment. And she did post a troubleshooting video. I can talk to my teacher by adding a private comment right here. So if I have any questions, concerns, anything like that, it's going to be right here. That way I can private message her, no one else can see it. Now, there was a bit of troubleshooting, so Ms. Gregory added a video here, but underneath your work, there is a Google Doc that's already started with my name on it. So I just need to click that open. And when I click this open, what I can do is I can actually type in this assignment. And this is my assignment. Each student gets their own copy, so you don't have to worry about making a new copy. So let's say, okay, find a word or phrase related to agriculture that fits with each letter of the alphabet. Explain it to blah, 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 blah. So let's say S stands for swine, and then I would explain why. But let's say I am all done with this assignment, okay? My next thing I'm going to want to do is I can hit this turn in button right here on the screen. Turn in. Now it'll take me back to Google Classroom. My assignment is already attached, right? So I can just hit the turn in button. You can also see it does exist right here as well. So it is turning it in for me. This will signify to Miss Gregory that, yep, I'm done with this assignment. It's good to go. If I want to make any changes, I can unsubmit, click this document again, and turn it back in. Now, that's a pretty easy way to get things done. Now, let's say we go to an assignment that does not have a pre-made attachment for me. So I'm going to go back to here. Let's go to my classwork. And now let's say it is, oh, maybe, let's say it's not my exit ticket. But let's say I want to add something new to my agriculture assignment. So I'm actually just going to unsubmit this just so you can see something else. Now let's say I wanted to show Miss Gregory a really cool drawing I did for my assignment. So what I'm going to do is I'm popping back over to my video capture here. So let's say, okay, this is my assignment. I did pigs, and then this is what I want to take a picture of, and I want to show her. Now what you can do is you can take any phone or that you have, and the first thing you're going to want to do is to take a picture of that assignment. So take the phone, and you take a picture of your assignment. Make sure it's nicely aligned, straight up and down so we can read it. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have the Google Drive app on your phone. So the Google Drive app has the same kind of symbol, and it should be logged into your Google account. So you should see your little picture up here, on this side, your little picture up there. You should log into your Rockford account. That's one thing you can do. So what you can do is you can then press the little add button right here in the bottom corner. And it says that I can either upload a picture or I can take a picture. So if I have not taken my picture yet, I can do that there. So I can take a picture, I can upload a picture, I can upload slides, drive, anything like that. Let's say I want to use my camera and then I want to take my picture. That looks good. I want to use that photo. So I click use photo. And now it is processing and I will upload directly to my drive. So now what I want to do is I want to pop back over to my window display so that way you guys can see. So let's say I'm here now. I have something on my Google Drive that I want to add. So I've taken a picture. Since it lives on your drive, it now lives in your drive everywhere. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. and I go to add from my Google Drive. And look, there's my picture I just took of my pig. So I'm going to want to add that. So now she can see the image as well as the doc. You can add multiple things from your drive. If it is a file saved on your computer, this is where you would do that. Now let's say you want to add a new assignment and you want to create it actually on here. So another option, like for your invasive species poster you're doing, you can go to add and you can start a new doc. Now let's say this is my invasive species poster. It'll create a new doc, a new window will pop up, and you can actually create your assignment right within here. So again, you're going to want to open this up and you can add your own. Okay, so just make sure that you add anything you want here. You can add it from your drive. A good thing to also have on your phone, if you are capable of doing so, if you have a mobile device, either yours or your parents', having the Google Drive app is great. So is having the Google Classroom app. So I'll actually put a link to a video about how you can take pictures right within the Google Classroom app on your phone to upload it there as well. So I'll put that just below this video here, so that way you can click on that. So hopefully this is helpful. Let us know if you have any more questions, but most things, please just go to your Classwork tab on your Google Classroom pages to turn things in there. Thank you guys.